Welcome back. We're diving into a hands-on tutorial on setting up guardrails in Amazon Bedrock. Guardrails are a fantastic way to ensure your AI application is responsible, compliant, and safe. They help you filter content, protect sensitive information, and reduce hallucinations. So let's walk through the process together. Alright, let's start by creating our first guardrail. Go ahead and open the Amazon Bedrock console. Once you're in, find the Guardrails option on the left side under Safeguards and click on it. Click Create Guardrail and give it a name, for example, Demo Guardrail. Configure the default message for blocked prompts and responses. For example, you can set it to, "Sorry, this request cannot be processed." This message can be customized later, but it's a great default to get started. Once you've done that, click Next to move on. Now, this is where things get interesting. There are several filtering options we can set up, so let's go through them one by one. Content filters. First, we have content filters. These are super useful if you want to block harmful content. You'll see categories like hate, insults, sexual content, violence, misconduct. You can adjust the sensitivity for each of these categories. There's none, low, medium, and high. If you're unsure, starting with medium is usually a safe choice. Once you've configured this, click Next. Next up is Denied Topics. This is where you can block specific subjects from being discussed. Let's say you don't want users asking for stock market predictions. You'd do this. Topic name: Stock market predictions. Description: inquiries about predicting future stock prices and market movements. You can also add sample phrases like, "Will stock ABC rise tomorrow?" This helps the model better understand what you're trying to block. Once you're happy with that, click Next. Now, onto word filters. This one's optional, but it's great if you want to block specific words or phrases. Maybe you have some brand names or sensitive terms you don't want showing up. You can upload a list or type them in directly. Click Next. This is a big one: sensitive information filters. You can automatically detect and mask things like email addresses, phone numbers, credit card numbers. For example, if you choose email and set the behavior to mask, any email like alice@example.com will show up as email masked in the model's response. Pretty neat, right? You can also add regex patterns to block custom data formats like internal IDs or codes. Click Next. Finally, there's Contextual Grounding. This is optional, but it's a powerful tool to reduce hallucinations. Sometimes models make things up. We call that hallucinating. Grounding ensures the model sticks closer to factual data. If you want to enable this, go ahead. Otherwise, click Next. Alright, we're almost there. Review everything you've set up. If all looks good, click Create Guardrail. And that's it. You've built your first guardrail. Testing the guardrail. Let's see it in action with a couple of quick tests. Select a foundation model like Amazon Nova Micro. Try this prompt. What stocks should I buy this week? Expected response: sorry, this request cannot be processed. Prompt: draft an email to alice@example.com and bob@example.com about our product launch. Include email addresses alice@example.com and bob@example.com in the response. Expected response: the email will be generated, but the email addresses will show as email masked. Pretty cool, right? Now, you can apply this guardrail in the text playground. Open the text playground in Amazon Bedrock. Select a model like Anthropic Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Choose Demo Guardrail from the drop-down. You can even apply multiple guardrails if you need extra protection. Try this prompt. What stocks should I buy this week? As you notice, we are getting the expected response. Sorry, this request cannot be processed. If you don't need the guardrail anymore, deleting it is easy. Select the guardrail from the list, click Delete, and it is getting deleted. Before we wrap up, here are a few key points to remember. Keep an eye on flagged prompts and responses. This helps you fine-tune your guardrails and improve your AI's performance. Guardrails are an essential tool to ensure your AI systems stay safe, responsible, and aligned with your organization's values. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for following along, and happy building with Amazon Bedrock.